Welcome back. Today I am preparing a powerful antioxidant drink for energy, mobility, wellness, and active aging. First, take one fresh beetroot, peel it carefully, and cut into small cubes. Now, beetroot is a nutritious root vegetable rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and powerful antioxidants known as beta-lanes. It is especially valued for its natural nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This helps improve blood circulation, support healthy blood pressure, and enhances oxygen delivery throughout the body. As a result, beetroot is often consumed to promote heart health, increase stamina, and reduce fatigue during the physical activity. Now, beetroot also supports digestive health thanks to its fiber content, which help maintain regular bowel movements and nourishes the beneficial gut bacteria. Its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress and may support joint comfort as a part of healthy diet. Improved circulation may also support brain function, memory, concentration, and overall healthy aging. Now, take 3 medium-sized grape leaves that have been thoroughly washed. Remove the stems and chop the leaves into small pieces. Grape leaves are nutrient-rich food that is low in calories and packed with fiber, antioxidants, and essential vitamins including A, C, E, K, and B6. They contain beneficial plant compounds such as polyphenols and flavonoids that help protect cells from oxidative stress and support healthy aging. Their natural anti-inflammatory properties may help support joint comfort and overall wellness. Grape leaves also promote digestive health by providing fiber that support healthy gut bacteria and regular bowel movements. Additionally, they contain nutrients that support heart health, healthy circulation, immune function, vision, and normal red blood cell production. Now add 2 spoons of dried mint leaves. Mint leaves contain natural antioxidants and are traditionally used to support digestion and provides a refreshing effect. Next, add half a spoon of Kalonji seeds, also known as black seeds. They contain thymoquinone, which is an antioxidant and is studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. Now transfer all the ingredients into a cooking pot containing 1 glass of water and cook the mixture on low heat for about 15 minutes. This gentle simmering helps extract the natural compounds from the ingredients into the water. Now our beetroot mixture is well cooked and it is soft and the leaves have released their contents. Now after cooking, allow the mixture to cool slightly. Then strain the liquid into a clean container, separating the herbal drink from the solids. Now your traditional beetroot herbal drink is now ready. Now add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar for taste. For use, dilute 2 tablespoons of this concentrated liquid in 1 cup of water and consume it in the morning. I hope you liked the video. Thank you, and please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.